All right, today we're talking about a technology that's, well, it's going to fundamentally change how we work in finance. But I want you to forget the idea of AI as just another software tool. No, we're going to talk about AI agents as your new digital team members. Seriously. Okay, let's dive right in.
To really understand where we're going, we've got to look at where we've been. For decades now, accounting automation has been the story of one small step after another. We started with basic Excel formulas, right? Then we moved to macros to automate clicks, which was a big deal. Then things got way more powerful with tools like Python and Power Query, and most recently, RPA, robotic process automation, let us build these bots to copy what humans do. Now, each step was great, don't get me wrong, but they all had the same big limitation. They just follow rigid, explicit rules. They can't think, they can't adapt. And that right there sets the stage for the next massive leap.
And this slide, this really gets to the absolute heart of it. If you remember one thing, make it this. We are moving beyond just automating individual repetitive tasks, and we're starting to build a collaborative digital team that can handle an entire process from start to finish. It is a complete and total change in mindset. So what exactly is an AI agent? Let's just put it simply. It's a software worker. You can give it a goal, and it has the ability to perform tasks, use tools, make decisions, and, this is the key part, collaborate with other agents to get the job done. Honestly, the best way to think about it isn't as a piece of software, but as a brand new digital coworker joining your department.
So that brings us to our first section, beyond automation. Because we're not just talking about a faster macro or a better script here. This is about completely reframing what's even possible inside of an accounting workflow.
This slide lays out the difference perfectly. On the left, you've got our traditional tools like RPA. They're brilliant at automating one specific task, but man, are they rigid. If anything unexpected happens, they just break, and a human has to basically glue all these tasks together. But on the right, you have AI agents. They can actually make decisions, they can adapt, and most importantly, they can collaborate to automate an entire workflow, not just one little piece of it.
So let's move on and see how this actually works. In Section 2, we're going to meet the digital team. And to make this feel real, we're going to walk through a classic accounting process, a bank reconciliation. But this one is going to be performed entirely by a team of specialized AI agents.
And here they are. Look, this isn't just one big AI blob. It's a team of 8 different agents, and each one has a specific job title and a role to play, just like a human accounting team. You've got Sung, the data loader, Jessica, the manager, Sunpreet, the privacy officer. There's even a John, who handles communications. This idea of specialization is absolutely critical.
So the process kicks off just like it would in any office, right? Sung, the data loader, goes and grabs the bank and general ledger files. Then, Sarthak, the data normalizer, jumps in to clean everything up, making sure dates, amounts, and names are all standardized. Just think of them as the junior accountants doing all that essential prep work.
Okay, so once the data is clean, it gets handed off to Aymen, the matching specialist. This is the real core of the reconciliation. Aymen's entire job is to apply logic to match transactions between the bank statement and the GL using things like vendor names, dates, and amounts.
But how do these individual agents actually pass work to each other? How do they function as a real team? Well, that brings us to Section 3, how the team collaborates. This is where the magic really starts to happen.
The secret to their teamwork is this concept called the working paper. Now, the easiest way to picture it is just a shared Excel file that lives in the cloud. Each agent in the process opens this file, reads the latest info, does its job, adds its own results, and then saves it for the next agent in line. It's the one single source of truth for the whole process.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds fine for simple, straightforward matching, but what happens when things get tricky? What if that initial match rate is really low? In a real office, a manager would have to step in and use their judgment. Can an AI actually do that? Yes, absolutely. And here's exactly how. On the left, a human manager sees a low match rate and makes a call. Hey, let's widen our criteria a bit, allow for a few more days difference or a slightly different dollar amount, and let's try again. Now look on the right, we have Jessica, the AI manager. She does the exact same thing. She sees that low match rate in the working paper, she autonomously decides to widen the date and amount tolerances, and she passes the job right back to Aymen, the matching specialist, to run it again. This is such a simple but powerful example of an agent actually mimicking human judgment. Now, let's talk about a huge concern, data privacy.
At the end of this whole process, an agent named Indy uses a large language model, an LLM, to write the final reconciliation memo. But how can we possibly do that without sending our sensitive company data out to some external AI? Well, here's a great way to think about it. It's like sending redacted documents to an external consultant. You'd never send them the raw files, right?
And here's the exact protocol these agents follow. First, Sunpreet, our privacy officer, masks the data. It literally redacts all the sensitive company and vendor names and replaces them with generic placeholders like company_A or vendor_1. Then, the memo writing agent, Indy, drafts the whole commentary using only this anonymized placeholder data. Finally, after the LLM is finished, the real names are swapped back in. Your sensitive data never, ever leaves your secure environment.
So, this all leads us to our final and maybe most important section, the future hybrid team. What does all of this actually mean for you and the future of your role as an accounting professional?
First off, it's really important to get why accounting is just so perfectly suited for this kind of technology. Our work is already built on clear processes and structured data. We live and breathe review and approval loops. We produce standardized reports, and crucially, our teams are already structured with different roles, like preparer and reviewer. AI agents just slot into this existing structure perfectly.
And this right here, this is the key takeaway. Your job isn't going away, it's evolving. You are going to spend way less time on the tedious, repetitive stuff. The data prep, the manual matching, formatting reports, drafting basic memos. And all that time is freed up so you can spend more time on the high-value work, reviewing the AI's results, applying your professional judgment to the really complex exceptions, interpreting what the data actually means, and communicating strategy to the business.
See, AI agents aren't here to replace accountants. They're here to join the team. This technology is designed to handle the what, freeing up human professionals like you to focus on the so what. So the final question isn't whether you'll work with AI. It's this: your next coworker is digital. Are you ready to lead the team?